Yes guys, in today's video I will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for an MSI Katana GF66 gaming laptop. So let's begin guys. So I'm in Windows, as you can see. So I'm going to restart Windows 11 and now I'm going to keep tapping the delete key. Yes guys, DEL key. Keep tapping that and that will bring you into BIOS. So I'm going to zoom in and show you this is the key and this is BIOS. So you've got options here: main, advanced, boot, security, and save and exit. Right, that's how to get into BIOS. Now I'm going to exit and show you guys how to enter boot menu option. I will exit BIOS. Now once the laptop restarts, you got to keep tapping the F11 key. Yes, F11. Okay, so just like this, keep tapping it. This key, F11. Okay, so now you know what to do. So this is how boot menu option looks like. Your primary storage will show up here. Just below it, any bootable device will show up, and then you got to tap enter and then it will initiate and boot from the external device. So let me recap: F11 is for boot menu and delete is for BIOS. So guys, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.